Hi students, this is Alex here. In this video we are going to solve the given partial differential equation. We are going to rewrite this x into p whole square because we want p term as a product with x power something. Here x power 1. In the same way, this is x into p. Then we have q separately and we have z square. So we got the form of f of x power m into p, y power n into q and z. So in this case the value of m is 1 because the value of x power m, here we have x power 1 and we don't have y term. It means the value of n is 0. When m is 1, we have a substitution. Capital X is log x, and when it is not 1, we take capital Y as small y into 1 minus n. Now from this we can find dou x by dou x, which is 1 by x, and here dou capital Y by dou small y will be 1 minus n into y power 1 minus n minus 1, which is minus n. Now we have capital P as dou z by dou capital X, which can be rewritten as dou z by dou, or we keep this as it is. In the same way, capital Q is dou z by dou capital Y. Now small p is dou z by dou x. This we are going to rewrite as dou z by dou capital X into dou capital X by dou x, and dou capital X by dou x is 1 by x. Using that we are going to get small p equal to, this is capital P into 1 by x by cross multiplication, x into small p is equal to capital P. In the same way, when we rewrite q, small q, which is dou z by dou small y, and this is rewritten as dou z by dou capital Y into dou capital Y by dou y, and already we got the value here. Here the value of n is 0. When I put 0, this whole value will become 1 because this is 0 and this is 0. Anything but 0 is 1 and 1 minus 0 is 1. So totally we are going to get from this small q is capital Q into 1. So finally we got xp as capital P and q as capital Q. This we are going to substitute in the equation 1. So here it is xp whole square. So xp whole square means it is only p square, and second term is xp into q. It means xp is capital P, q is capital Q, and on the other side we have z square. So we got the equation 2, which is in the form f of p comma q comma z equal to 0. So for this we take u equal to x plus ay, and dou u by dou capital X is 1 and dou u by dou capital Y is a, and capital P is dou z by dou capital X, which is rewritten as dou z by dou u into dou u by dou x. Using this value 1 here, we are getting capital P is dou z by dou capital U. In the same way, when we take capital Q, which is dou z by dou y, then it is rewritten dou z by dou u into dou u by dou y, and we got this value as a, which when we substitute here, we get capital Q is dou z by dou u into a. So we got the capital P and capital Q, both we are going to substitute in the equation 2. So p square plus pq. So p square means it is dou z by dou u whole square plus pq, again dou z by dou u into dou z by dou u into a, and on the other side we have z square. So now the terms can be grouped as whole square. So dou z by dou capital U whole square plus dou z by dou u whole square into a equal to z square. We can take dou z by dou u whole square common. We left with 1 plus a alone, and on the other side it is z square. Now we are going to take square root, so this gives dou z by dou u root 1 plus a equal to z. Now by variable separable it is dou z by z, and this constant is kept here, and on the other side we have dou u. And even this constant can be taken to the other side as 1 by root 1 plus a, then we have dou u. On integration on both the sides we get log z equal to, this is a constant which we keep as it is, and this is capital U plus c, and the u we have to replace. So we get log z equal to 1 by root 1 plus a, and u is nothing but x plus ay. Then we have plus c, and x is log x, capital X is log x, this is what the substitution we gave, and capital Y, which is y power 1 minus n. When n is 0 here, it is y, so capital Y is equal to small y. So from this, capital Y is equal to small y. Now replacing this, we get log z is equal to log x plus ay by root 1 plus a, then plus c. This is the required complete solution.